Hi everyone, just quickly wanted to show you that levelling table I'm so fond of. Let's Resin have sent me another one. So I've now got two functional working spaces. I've got a drying area and I've got a making area, which is great because this table, my main desk, isn't quite level. So just want to show you what comes in the kit and how it works. It's, first of all, it's Perspex. I call it glass, it's not, it's Perspex. But it's a good, thick, strong, and unlike the wood ones I've had before, this stuff does not seem to warp when it gets hot or damp or anything. Well, obviously damp isn't going to affect it, but heat doesn't either. So the wooden ones I've had before just eventually warped, which, because, you know, using heat mats and things like that on it. Now, so it's beautiful looking as well, isn't it? Isn't it lovely? Little silver feet. All you do, you've got your spirit level in the middle, and you just twiddle the feet until that dot is right in the centre. And I think it is. I need to move my camera to get right above it, because I've been doing a bit of twiddling and I think it's level now. It also comes with a nice little mat, which is nice that it's a translucent one, because you can see how pretty your levelling table is underneath. But this is the standard size of most of our silicone mats. Obviously I buy these oversized ones for my desk as well, and I'm hoping that one day somebody will be marketing a double size one of these tables. But right now what I've got is two of these, so I could even put them side by side, or I can just put a piece of board on the top if I need a bigger space. But that is just perfect. I mean, it fits nicely into my little filming space, and it looks great. And it does a job so well. My other one, I adjusted it when it first arrived, which was months ago. Haven't adjusted it since, and it's been used like crazy. Whereas I said, the wooden one that I had before that, I was just constantly adjusting the feet, because it, every few weeks it had warped slightly from having the heat mats on it and, I don't know, damp things. If I was, whatever I was cleaning it with, I don't know. Anyway, really delighted with these. So massive thanks to Let's Resin. This is awesome. And I really appreciate the support. If anybody wants one of these, I have got a discount code for Let's Resin. It's in the video description below. I'll put it right at the top, as well as in the discount code chunk and the product list further down. But I will, yes, I'll put it in at the top so it's easy to find for you. But there you go, just wanted to show you that, and to say a big thank you to Let's Resin, another one of our lovely crafting firms that support the YouTubers and the rest of us so beautifully. Thanks again, and I'll see you all for its maiden voyage. See you soon, everyone. Bye.